In this video we are going to tell you how to take free trial of Igis Cad. First, register and activation. Second, installation and activation. Register and activation. Open browser and search Igis Cad. Click on first link. Click on login. Click OK. For register new account, click on sign up. Enter your email address. Verify captcha. Create a strong password. Click on continue. Verification link has been sent on your email. Open your email and click on this link. Your new account has registered. Click on download button for download setup of Igis Cad. For essential version, click on essential. For advanced version, click on advanced. Click on this button for activate 30 days free trial version. Enter your details. Your free trial has been activated. For license key, click on view license key button. Installation and activation. Run setup. Click on next button. Check on I accept option. Click on next button. Click on next button. If you want to install VBA plugin, check VBA components option. Click on next button. Click on install button. Installation has been started. Installation completed. Click on finish button. Open Igis Cad website dashboard. Click on view license key. Copy this key. Now open license viewer of Igis Cad. Uncheck network license and click on activate your license. Click on activate online. Paste your license key here. Then click on activate license key. Click on finish button. Now work in Igis Cad. Your installation and activation is completed. Thank you for watching this video and explore more at www.igiscad.com.